Hello guys, good afternoon. So andito pa rin ako guys sa lugar ng agent ko. Tapos namasyal kami ng Indo dito sa area na maraming puno. Tingnan nyo guys. See, beautiful trees, a lot of trees. So beautiful. Type ko dito guys, daming puno. See, beautiful place. Oh, fresh na fresh ang dating. Over there mga po. Ayan, subdivision dito guys, suburb area. Ayan, may mga kawayan doon. So that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me. Bye for now.